Coldtrace Premium, so how it looks like. So basically to use Coldtrace app, you need to upgrade. Or for example, how I got it, I can just refer 3 friends. Feel free to use my referral code. I don't know whether it's still working. And then you as a friend who use this code, you get in 30% off. So your monthly plan can be cheaper, or you can just do as me and use your invite code and refer friends, so they can become creators in here, or just play the game, and then you will get a 1 month free. But basically then you will get premium, and then you can just kind of, the idea of this app is that you're solving like detective true crime cases, and then how you solving it. It's not just you just play a game. The game itself is kind of like the copy of the phone of iPhone, which looks super similar to your phone. So see here, this is the game. You see questions, and then you need to go through the phone and then just find clues on your phone. It's super addictive because you're spending the whole time on your phone, and it's kind of exact copy of the phone, and that's why it's entertaining. I solved one case in this app. It took me like 1 hour. There are some easy questions, there are some harder, but it's super addictive because you're kind of still browsing through apps and all of that. You do not need to learn, if you're trying to do some racing game or shooting game, you do not need to learn all the moves in here. But this is kind of like a true crime quiz. So for example, there is some questions, there is a backstory, and then there are 20 questions you need to answer. So the question number 4, in this case. So there are some hints, starting contacts. So for example, which app I need to go with. So where are the contacts? So maybe somewhere here. It's a kind of simplified version because you can't actually do, like a normal phone stuff in here, but it's super fun. And then username, and then enter password. So this is kind of. Then if you want to get a hint, you just need to, type something a few times and you'll get a hint. I'm in contacts, but where is the contacts app? Play it. And sometimes questions are not that clear. Okay, so now you see this is how it works. So yeah, that's kind of the game, and try it out.